Hi, my name is Arash, and this is my 2001 Mazda Miata. Currently, it's the highest horsepower V8 NB Miata in the world. On the old setup with the T56, it went 10.3 to 142 on 16 pounds of boost. Now it's on 20 pounds, and I'm gonna say it's probably right around 750 to the rear wheels. The car's got a iron block 6-liter LQ4, forged pistons, forged rods, forged crank. Out back on the driver's side in front of the rear tire, it's got a comp oilless 76mm turbo, 1.5-inch primary headers, shorties, and then it goes to the back and connects to the turbo, and then it's got a 4-inch downpipe. It's got an RPM transmission, 1,000 horsepower power glide, Ford 8.8 with 308 gears, drive shaft shop axles, drive shaft shop drive shaft. As far as the wheels and brakes, 949 Racing 60 wheels, 245 55 15 drag radials out back. It's got a Willwood big brake kit. It's got an engine oil cooler over there in the fog light area. It's got 2 transmission coolers. It's got 3 radiator fans. You got to keep this thing cool in the summer. It gets pretty toasty. So it's got Flyin Miata roll cage, Sparco quick disconnect steering wheel. All the gauges are all AM. TCI Outlaw Pro shifter, straight cut, first gear ratio 1.80, 1 to 1 second gear. It rolls out pretty good on the highway.